You're watching some clips of this E39 M5 out at an Orlando Speed World Drift event with me at the helm. We had just done a Vortex Supercharger and a Snow Performance Meth Kit install on the car, and we're trying to take it out for a little bit of shakedown. The car drove great, didn't have any issues. Unfortunately, the driver mod is still not there for drift events, but I had a ton of fun, and despite my sloppy drifting technique, I think you'll probably get a hoot out of watching the car and hearing the sounds of the Supercharger and the great V8. Hope you enjoy the smoke show. Please drop some comments if you got something you want to say about the car, or talk shit about my driving. Suits me fine. I'm not a very good drift driver, but hey, I'm getting there. And if you have some questions about the camera setup we're using, I know that for drift events you guys get to use drones, but the rest of the motorsports world, we don't get to use them. So for autocross and track days and stuff, we built this cool carbon fiber tripod that sticks on in the car. Drop some comments if you want to hear more about that too. That's something that I developed and built, and we use it for a lot of our videos.